How to fix your speakers on phone. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to your Chrome browser and then search for the fixmyspeakers.com. So you have to search for the fixmyspeakers.com and then you have to search this, and when you search this then you come to this page, and here you can see this button. So what you have to do is firstly you come to this page and then you have to click on this uh, 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 this white button with this droplet. So when you click on this, then a music start playing, and it will remove your it will eject water and other unwanted things from your speakers, and the speakers start working normally, as you can see. So that's it, that how you can do this. So firstly you have to click on this, then it will remove all unwanted things like speakers, dust, etc. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.